Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. My name is Susan. It's lovely to meet you today. I hope you're very well and you're having a great time. So I wanted to share with you a recipe that I do for emergency birthday cakes because my daughter has had her birthday and she's coming around for her presents, but she's very hard to pin down, so I never know when she's coming, but she's coming today. And so I needed to do a quick cake because I'm just unpacking everything from a motorhome. I've got hundreds of jobs to do and life is hectic, so I thought what I'll do is I'll share with you what I normally do as a last minute cake, and then this might help you, especially if you're not so confident baking or you don't have loads of ingredients in all the time. This is perfect. So what we're going to make today is an M&S Victoria sponge cake mix, and these are absolutely brilliant. Always pull one from the shelf if I'm in M&S. I like to have one in stock, and they are beautiful and so light and so delicious and such a bargain. They are about £2.50 and nobody can not make this cake. So all you need to do is add eggs, milk and butter. It's that simple. So it's going to make either 12 cupcakes or one cake. And I've bought some strawberries in and I've bought some fresh cream. I always like to have fresh cream in my cake if possible. If not, I would have done buttercream. And we need to put the oven at 180. So we can get ready to do that. I'm going to grease my baking tins and make a lovely cake. So here we go.
Still remember when you walked into the room. Think I knew right then that it was always you. Something in your eyes, it was all so true. Every step I took, they all led to you. We were young and running free. We were never meant to be, but I could not see you go. 'Cause of you, don't wanna waste another minute without you. And I will love you in the dark. And if you ever fall out, please don't leave me out. 'Cause I will love you till I'm gone. If you just hold on. Just hold on. Don't think I could ever love the way you do. I'll try to make it up if you need me to. Something in your smile, I've never been so sure that all I ever wanted was to give you more. 'Cause if it all were up to me, we would always stay this free, and I would never let you go. 'Cause of you, don't wanna waste another minute without you. I will love you in the dark, and if you ever fall out, please don't leave me out. 'Cause I will love you till I'm gone. without you. I will love you in the dark, and if you ever fall out, please don't leave me out, 'cause I will love you till I'm gone. If you just hold on. This ain't my first rodeo. I've been down this road before. All your pieces on the floor, and for that I love you more. I'm pulling petals of a flower, guessing who has lost their power. You say me and I say you. I'd like to tell you the truth. Baby, it's what I do. Baby, it's oh so cruel. But you won't ever be alone. I can get a little angry, be a little dangerous. No matter what, I do it all again for us. I can be the one who breaks you, be the one who builds you up. You'd be surprised how many lines I cross, how many lines I cross for love. I can make your tower fall, every brick and every wall.
So now that the cake is in the oven, I'm going to just show you what we're going to use for the filling. I've been to Morrison's and bought strawberries. So it was 3 for £5 on fruit, and I just got these, so that's all I wanted. Strawberries and fresh cream, fresh double cream, just at that size, which is 300 ml. I don't buy any of those inferior creams, shall we say. I just buy always double cream. And an Aldi strawberry conserve. Oh, it's a new one, so we haven't got the obligatory mould on there. So yes, specially selected conserve. If you haven't tried, they do a lovely lemon curd, and I think they do a blueberry jam as well. So I do like those ones in Aldi. So sit back, enjoy. Next part coming soon.
given you all my love. Sempre sarai tu il mio amore, my darling, my angel, my dove. If ever you would leave me, I think I would lay down and die. Oh, ecco il mio cuore. Now tell me your heart is mine.
Girl, you got me down so bad. I can't say enough. She pull up with that new thing. Please don't fall in love, 'cause I think of you all day. Yeah, I was running through my brain, can't be nothing. 'Cause I just know you got me thinking about forever. Got a crush, crush, crush on you. I just wanna be your only crush, crush, crush on you. I'm not the type to give it in, read it out to your mind. Let me tell you now, I got a crush, crush, crush on you. When I was looking outside, girl, you got me lost in your eyes. I got you when you're falling. Just know that I won't be here for long. Thinking of you all day, yeah. Running round in my head, all or nothing. 'Cause I just know you got me thinking about forever. Got a crush, crush, crush on you. I just wanna be your only crush, crush, crush on you. I'm not the type to give it in, read it out to your mind. Let me tell you now, I got a crush, crush, crush on you. I want you more than just for a night. I'm just saying, you deserve it. I need you, baby, let me stay by your side. Come and show me, 'cause I just know you got me thinking about forever. Got a crush, crush, crush on you. I just wanna be